elder daughter, she had some idea of what she wanted to do. So that is the reason why she took humanities as in her 11th and 12th. But my younger daughter was, she had it in her. I mean, what came out in the end is nothing surprising for me. But, she didn't know exactly how to go about it, and she was not clear about what she wanted to do.
Actually, before the career counseling, I was not decided in my career at all. I had many thoughts running into me, so I was not crystal clear. But then after the career counseling, I was more clear. I had a thing. So I was more clear in my career. It helped me a lot.
My, counseling session was really great. The teacher discussed everything with me so clearly that my doubts got cleared. Now my top 3 careers which I have chosen, I have to focus on that. So yeah, it was a great session.
I come to know that what I want to do in my career and what I can do, like which field is more important. I can't tell important, which is more suitable for me, like same method.
It's very good because earlier there was a big confusion on what stream to follow, because we were looking at various options like Google, talking to people and all those things. I think this gave us a structured way of identifying the future plan. So at least we have now we have some choice, or we have reduced the list actually.
It was a very good session. We discussed about what are my likes or my interests. Then he had talked about what are the fields which I can opt for. Then plus points of the fields or the topics which I am going for, or what I can choose. Then we just write out some of them for which I will have to put on more efforts or most of my time. Then we selected some easier options which I am good with or which I can go for and I am happy with.
It was a new experience, quite refreshing, because I have a personality which is very confused in this aspect. So the session helped me because I have too many interests, so I'm not able to choose one for myself and do a career out of it. Like, I want to know all about other things also. So the counseling helped me understand that okay, I want to learn about many more things, like whichever they are, but those are my hobbies and I'm particularly good at some things from which I can develop my career. So it gave me a converging effect on like scoping it down on one thing. Because of that, I'm now thinking about becoming a business analyst.
Since the younger one is what came for her is something like, it is not something normally people would do. So yeah, so yeah, at least she would know what steps to take next, to pursue her dream.
It was good actually. The outcomes, what the field which they suggested was already on my mind. Like the same field which I was keenly interested was the one which she told me. That was engineering in computers or sound engineering, audio engineering. Right. So those are the 3 fields which she told me.
This is an eye-opener for us also. This, whenever we did the counseling, then the outcome also was, as I said, in his favor. So which I felt very happy that okay, at least finally he has discovered something within him, and he has made that right decision. So the assessment was really helpful.
See, incidentally, for one of my kid, I didn't knew. Like I just attended that session and I started searching and I just went there. But actually speaking, it is the JLL which provided me this platform, and that's how I went for my one kid, and then again I went for the second kid also. So it's very heartening, and it's great to be with company doing this for us, and really very nice.
Very peacefully she handled all that session. She guided me in a perfect way, which I was expecting.
Same here. My counselor Kanika Mahindra was also very good. She explained me all the things.
Really very nice of JLL for having such kind of session actually, because even we are too busy with our works and all, even working from home, so that continuity or that pressure is there. So even we are for basically our family, if you see, so I am the only person because wife has just expired and we have only 3 daughters which they are managing themselves, so it's nothing about this thing. So I don't get that much time to interact with them or just to see. So this really helped me out.
I think JLL itself is doing a phenomenal job. Finding the right people, right companies, partnering, and then finally helping employees to get out of there's some maybe small issue or something. They keep on doing. We have many such programs where buying a product very easy from you. So everything, like you said, with Benefit Hub. So we have a lot of things which keep on coming on them.
An excellent initiative. They're just taking this time to help out the employees, and it's wonderful that they're helping them out.
I am close to 5 years in JLL now, because JLL is a very large organization where it's a world's most ethical company, number 1. And number 2, other than the work atmosphere, they take care of the family, workplace and family thing, and relatively personal health, everything. There are a lot of programs happening. Even time to time, there is a lot of online web sessions, webinars, so many things I'm seeing.